Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be harvesting maize, so come along with me. Welcome to our farm. I know you'll be wondering why this front part doesn't have any crops. This is because we had planted here beans and we harvested our beans earlier before the maize was ready. Here are the people helping us to harvest our maize today. So we are harvesting from the other side of the farm and bringing it out of the farm. Then we transport the maize home. And here comes my mother, the hardworking woman herself, leading by example, carrying the maize from the farm outside. From the joy on her face, you can tell it's a bumper harvest. The maize is safely at home. We've stored it here in our veranda, and now this is when the work begins. As you can see, my sister is helping with the work. She's dehusking the maize for drying. I know you'll be wondering why we didn't dehusk the maize in the farm and just carried the corn by itself. I'll show you later in the video what we do with the husks. This is our harvest this year. We air dry these husks very well and store them in a dry place. Later we sprinkle some salt water on the husks and feed them to our cattle. Subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.